Good morning students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.5 seventh question. If f is r tends to r and g is r tends to r. A two function is given. Two functions also. Domain is real number. Codomain also real number. Defined by f of x is equal to x power 5 and g of x is equal to x power 4. Then check f and g are 1 1 or not. The function f and g are 1 1 or not, and f composition g is 1 1 or not we want to check. Okay, for that see solution. First, given information you should write. Given f is r tends to r and g functions also r tends to r. Then f of x is given x power 5 and g of x is given x power 4. So we want to check f and g are fg 1 1 or not we want to check first. Okay, for that first you take the function f of x is equal to x power 5. So here domain and codomains are real numbers, so whatever value also we can substitute. Suppose I am taking here, put x is equal to negative value means first f of minus 1. So minus 1 power 5 instead of x minus 1 we substitute. Minus 1 power 5 minus 1. Suppose instead of x you substitute plus 1 means f of 1 power. So 1 power 5 is equal to 1, positive 1 we are receiving. So whatever different value you are substituting, different images we are receiving. Okay, different images. Here minus 1 means we are getting minus 1. Plus 1 means plus 1. 2 means, okay, 2 means plus value you will receive. Okay, 2 power 5 32. So minus 2 means minus 32 you will receive. So different value only we are receiving. Therefore clearly here f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Reason because different element in domain has different images in codomain, so that f is 1 1 function. Okay, like that we want to check g function. Next choose g of x. The function g of x is equal to x power 4. So first you substitute here, put x is equal to 1. Minus 1 you substitute now. So g of minus 1. So minus 1 power 4. So plus 1 only you will receive because power is even number. So that minus 1 you should multiply with the 4 times, you will get positive 1. Suppose you substitute plus 1 means x is equal to plus 1 g of 1. So instead of 1 power 4 x 1 want to substitute 1 power 4 1. So see different value are substituting but we are getting at the same image. So you want to write it is clearly g is not 1 1. Yes, g is not 1 1 because the reason is different element in domain has same image in codomain, so that it is not a 1 1 function. You know already 1 1 function, different element in your domain has different images in codomain only, it is 1 1. But here we are getting same image, so it is not 1 1. G is not 1 1. Okay, next f composition g you want to check. Next to check f composition g. F composition g is equal to f composition g of x. So this we can write it as f of g of x. So this we can write it as f of g of x is x power 4. So this x power 4 where want to substitute, function f want to substitute. Function f is x power 5. So instead of x you substitute x power 4 whole power 5. So we will receive as a x power 20. 4 5s are multiply and write 4 5s are 20, x power 20. Therefore f composition g you are receiving as a f composition g of x, you are receiving as a x power 20. Now you substitute, put x is equal to minus 1 F composition G of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power 20. You will get it as a positive 1. Okay. Next, you put x is equal to 1 means F composition G of plus 1. So 1 power 20 you will receive as the plus 1. Okay. Because power is on even number. Power is even number means negative comes, you will get it as a positive value. Therefore, from that we understand clearly F composition G is not 1 1. F composition G is not 1 1 function because different element. Reason you should write. Reason different element in domain has same image in codomain. Same image in codomain, so that F composition G is not 1 1. Okay, that's all. Next you see compositions of three functions. Okay, what is compositions of three function? Already earlier classes we have discussed about compositions of two functions, only f and g. But here three function f, g, h. Function f, g, h. So how we want to find this one is means the function is related to a tends to b, the function g is related to b tends to c, then the function h is related to c tends to d. So you consider the three function. So three functions also you can apply means first function f of x want to find the function f of x, you substitute in the g, then f of the g of x function you should substitute in the h means we will get compositions of three functions. Okay, so in the compositions of three function we can write it in the form of like this. How? See, f compositions of bracket of g composition h. First this two we are comparing, g composition h, g and h you are comparing. After comparing this you should compare with the f function. Okay, so f compositions of g composition h is equal to, or else first we are comparing these two, f composition g finding, after that you are comparing with the h means we will get these two, both the values will be equal. Okay, so f of g composition h is equal to f composition g of h. Okay, this is compositions of three functions. So already I have explained this. Compositions of two function is not commutative. Yes, so the compositions of function is not commutative, but the compositions of three function is always associative. So it is an associative function. Okay, it is an associative function. So compositions of three function is associative. This is the law. Okay, so using this formula we are going to solve the exercise problem. Okay, see, look at the question, exercise 1.5, 8th question. If three function is given f of x, g of x, h of x, then we want to show that either compositions of three function is associative or not. Associative we want to show. Okay, see, for that solution, first given function you write. Given function, first f of x is x minus 1, g of x is 3x plus 1, h of x is x squared. Then we want to show that f composition g of composition h is equal to f compositions of g composition h. Okay, first LHS side you choose. LHS side first f composition g want to find. Okay, f bracket what is there, that f composition g, how we can write f composition g of x, one x want to include. Now this we can write it as f of g of x. So usually how we are finding are the same only. So this, now f of, instead of g of x what is there, instead of g of x 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1. Then this 3x plus 1 where want to substitute, function f want to substitute. So already function f of x you know, f of x is x minus 1. So instead of x you substitute 3x plus 1 means, so this equal to instead of x 3x plus 1 minus 1. This is the value of f of 3x plus 1. So what is that? 3x plus 1 minus 1. So now plus 1 minus 1 will go, we will receive the answer 3x. F composition G, you will receive that 3x. Okay. Next F composition G of, next you see F composition G of composition H. So this we can write it as F composition G of compositions of H. One x want to include. One x want to include. Now then this we can write it as, okay, then this we can write it as, this equal to F composition G of H of x. So this we can write it as F composition G of H of x is, what is that? H of x function is x squared. H of x function is x squared. So you want to write x squared. Now this x squared where want to substitute? F composition G want to substitute. F composition G is 3x. So you should write 3. So instead of 3, instead of x, you should write it as a x squared. 3x squared. So this is equation 1. This is the value of F composition G, composition H. Okay. As usual, first this you can write H of x. Instead of H of x, you should write x squared. Instead of H of x, x squared. So this x squared where want to substitute means the F composition G want to substitute. Already we have received this answer. F composition G is 3x. So instead of 3, instead of x, you should write x squared. So this is equation 1. Okay. Then next RHS you want to take. So RHS first G composition H. G composition H we can write it as G composition H of x. So this we can change it as G of H of x. G of H of x. So G instead of H of x you should write it as a x squared. So already we know G of x. G of x is 3x plus 1. So instead of x place you should substitute x squared means 3x squared plus 1. So instead of x place x squared, so x squared. Now what is the value of this? 3x squared plus 1. This is G composition H. Next what is the whole terms you want to find? F composition of G composition H. So this we can write it as F composition G composition H of one x want to include. Now this we can write it as F composition you can remove F of G composition H of x. Okay, now this value we know. What is that? Before only we received G composition H value is 3x squared plus 1. So instead of F of 3x squared plus 1 you should write 3x squared plus 1. Where want to substitute? Function f want to substitute. Function f is, what is that? Function f is f of x is equal to x minus 1. So instead of x place 3x squared plus 1 want to substitute means, so instead of x place 3x squared plus 1 minus 1. Without writing also we can write directly. So instead of x, f want to substitute means, so f of x function is x minus 1. So instead of x place you should write this value 3x squared plus 1 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 will go means we will receive as a 3x squared. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So you check from 1 and 2 we received as the same answer 3x squared. Therefore from 1 and 2 F composition G of composition H is equal to F compositions of G composition H. So it is equal. Okay, that's all. We have received as the associative property equal.